Vigorun Tech, one top and leading radio-controlled grass-cutting machine manufacturer in China, focus on the research and development of remote control and autopilot unmanned vehicles. Wheeled remote control mowing robot is our current main product, widely used in lawn mowing, weed cutting and bush trimming, suitable for slope, steep incline, wasteland, roadside, orchards, gardens, wildfire prevention, swamp and so on. The remote control rubber track brush cutter adopts CE and EPA-approved gasoline engine, operated by remote control up to 200 meters long distance, adjustable cutting height, travel speed up to 6 kilometers per hour, rechargeable batteries. Based on the in-depth understanding of our own products, we can provide the best after-sales services.